just turned on the car. Of course, I'm parked like half under the, I don't know if you can see that or not, half under the end of the house. So I just got, of course, just 1 second open, just drenched. Here's, let me show you what our road looks like. This is pretty normal, like on the heavy days. It's all flooded. This is pretty flooded for us. I bet you there's 2 inches of water there. There you go, it's swimming right over there. Funny, I mean the Keys is that way anyways. It's cold right now. But we have a storm that's gone through, coming through right now. I don't know if there's a hurricane before that just disappeared when it hit us, but it went up to like more like Tallahassee and then came back and just dumped on us. We can get 12 inches of rain on a normal day, but this is not our rainy season. This is just from some storm that came back. And yesterday it was 86 and I was swimming right there by the beach. And now it's, you know, free, but even today it's not going to, but you know, even in 20 minutes it could be normally back up to 88. Normally it wouldn't even cool down for the rain. You know, the rain would just be rain. During summers or rainy season, normally we'd be 92 and then, you know, perfectly sunny, and then rain comes through and the rain's going to be 90, 92, same temp, and then it just goes away, and a lot of times you just stay right in the water, you know, because what you can do is run to the truck, you're going to get just as wet, you're sitting in the water anyways, so you just kind of sit there and take it for a few minutes. Lean under someone's umbrella, whatever you can. If not, you just take it. That's one thing I've definitely learned, especially if I'm working outside. You just take it. You accept. You accept whatever's happening, and it's way better because you're like, the dude off to the right. I'm sorry, guy. I am so sorry. And he's like in 3 feet of water. I mean, his front bike wheel, I can't even see it. And he's like, I come by at 35, and for some reason it's solid water. You know, well, I wasn't even thinking. I was watching him going, what's he doing? And I, boom, right in there. I got to spray him, maybe 12 feet high of water over the porch. Oh, see right there, there's a puddle. I mean, it's a lot of, I bet you we have 14 inches right now today, the last 2 hours. Poor guy, I was just thinking this poor guy, he was huddled up at the gas station and underneath the eave, but the wind was, he was soaked. I don't know how he was sleeping. And you know, he had nothing but his normal, he had a jacket I think, but he was asleep on the sidewalk, which is really rare down here. But it's just one of the guys there's a few people that live in tents, you know, come out and kind of just panhandle and maybe smoke pot, you know, party a little bit and then go back into the, or like when you run out of money down here, you have nowhere to go. You have to be able to afford to leave. There's no free way out, you know. You need an exit plan, and normally it's very easy to run out of money here. I wish I I wish I wouldn't have sprayed that guy, but I wish I had film on it. Poor guy. I mean, it was ultra spray. Total accident on all parties. What's he doing in 3 feet of water on his bike? Oh man. Yeah, you're not getting any brakes, dude. Slowing down without braking. Alright. We've got some 1 mile an hour person up there. I'm like, oh, run to the bank when no one's out. It'll take you like an hour to get across. Not the smartest choice, well. Holy cow. I've been waiting for like this for hours. I mean, all morning too, but I just drove through 2-3 feet of water. I don't know how deep it was. I started to think, geez, I might get stuck. And then I went to brake and I almost went out on the road. I dropped my phone in the rain. We're taking some pictures. I think that's it. Died on me. Thought it was alright. Maybe it's still a little bit with rice. Park at. So there's in the lake zone.